welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ms.Cinnamon Spice, and y'all already know what today is. Today is Wig Crush Wednesdays. Yes, honey, we're gonna be discussing a new wig today, but we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. So I want you guys to stay tuned and watch the video. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and make sure you share. Like, I don't know what else y'all gotta do, but you can definitely hit that subscribe button real quick because you're already watching the video, and I know you're gonna want to come back for more after we get done seeing it. So definitely hit that subscribe button to all my new people and to all my Spice Girls and Spice Guys that's been rocking with me. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I love y'all. Thank you for rocking with me. So today's video will be about, of course, a wig. I really do like this wig. I got this wig sent to me from a company. I'll leave everything down in the description box. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because my sons are going to be doing my voiceover. Like, this is going to be hilarious. I have no idea what they're going to say, but I'm going to let them do my voiceover for this this wig review. But so you guys don't get confused, I will leave where I got the wig from, how many inches is, everything about the wig. I will leave it down in the description box. So if you guys want to hear my review from my sons, then yes, continue watching this video. Okay.
Then I got plenty, ayy. Pockets full with fishy, ayy. I love spinning, and my team love winning, ayy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ms.Cinnamon Spice, and today I have my two sons with me. What's your name?
Brandon.
And what's your name?
Michael.
All right, so today they're going to be doing a voiceover about my wig, you guys. This is going to be hilarious because I have no idea what they're going to say. Oh, they going to rib me. So they about to get me, you know what I'm saying? I ain't ready for it, but I'm going to let them say what they want to say, okay? Make sure you like it.
No editing.
Okay, can't edit nothing out. So make sure you guys like and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up on this video. If you guys want to see how funny this is going to be about me doing a wig review with my two boys doing my voiceover, continue watching. Bye.
I guess she's opening the package.
Okay, now she's taking the hair out and making it look better.
And why is it purple though? Like, that's the weirdest color I know. This is weird.
Alright, now she's gonna start taking it inside out to show you something or whatever. She's gonna keep playing with it and playing with it. Okay, this is boring.
It looked like a hat. This is ugly as a mug. Did anybody notice those 3 pimples?
Alright, what is she doing now? Okay, why is she pulling that? Or okay.
She got her life.
Alright, now she brushing it to make it straight. Do you see the black in it? It looks stupid.
Exactly. You don't see that pimples though? Look, she zoomed in. The pimples.
Okay, you've already showed us. Stop. Alright, okay. You cut it off. Okay.
Nobody cares. Oh, but now you just gonna skip over some pieces, huh?
Okay.
Huh?
Oh my God.
Oh, you flipping it. You look so ugly.
You look
you
like
your
a witch.
daddy's son. Hey.
You look like a witch, bruh. That hair make you look weird.
A pink witch. Okay, she's brushing it with her hands, going through it like she been weird right now.
Alright, now she's showing you the back for some reason. Just show us the front. Nobody cares.
Oh, y'all see those tattoos on her head? Oh.
Alright, now
you gonna flip it. Bro, just turn around. Don't be... You're not my mom no more.
Okay, now she's flipping it on the other side, making it look weirder than it already does. Now she's splitting it up.
You was right. She do look like a witch.
Okay, now she got a part, I think. I don't know.
Those
balls.
Those look like marshmallows.
Okay, they're cotton balls.
I don't care if they was booty balls.
What?
I don't know.
Now she's putting it on her forehead.
It looks shiny during it. That wig make her forehead big.
Yeah, it's real shiny.
Yeah, shiny than her head already was.
Her head look real weird right now.
Y'all can see she totally did those eyebrows, right?
What the heck was
that poop on there or something?
Okay, now she's putting like glue
Ooh,
or
that
something.
glitter was in it.
She put like glue or something on it now. Now she's gonna glue the hair. We think it's glue. Okay, now she's showing.
Ugh, like, bro, take that. Nobody want to see that.
Is that
Nobody
lotion?
want to see that brown part. Yeah, is that lotion?
Comment down below. What is that? Is that lotion, glue, or something? I don't know.
What is that? Okay,
now
we not
she's
big
still doing it.
wig fans.
You can hurry it up now.
Yeah, you taking pretty long.
Okay, you can speed this up. Come on.
Speed the freaking video up.
All right, now she's gonna
Blow dry it.
You
know that don't look cool. Oh, I'm a princess. And you know how those superheroes be doing? They be having their hips on their hips. And then they be like, ooh, I'm a superhero. Why the wind is blowing?
Yeah.
That's what she was doing with her hair, though.
Okay, now she's putting it on the glue, making it look weirder. Okay, now she's like.
Are you like? What are you
now
doing?
She
It looks
itching
like
her head itch.
what? Like yeah, she looked like those things that you put on your nails and then they sharpen it or something.
Yeah.
She looked like she doing that to her hair.
Yeah. Okay, now she's gonna flip the wig back and forth.
Her life is weird.
Okay, now she's gonna use the back of a comb to do some weird stuff.
Yeah,
Okay,
she awkward.
Why is she getting one string of it? You can
exactly. Get like a chunk of it. Dang.
Come on, why you separating?
Dang, you got a
it?
hard
Come on,
life,
get
bro.
it.
This video.
Bro, you need to get more than that little string. Okay.
Retarded.
Come on.
Retarded.
Be quiet. Okay, now she combing it. She combing it.
Retarded.
Be quiet.
Don't tell me what to do.
Now she combing the string of useless hair.
Why she can't grow this out herself and dye it?
Exactly. Now she got the string in front of her face, putting it in a ponytail, looking weird as always.
Oh, she kind of looked like that person that got the mask over her face, and then it's like you can barely see her face.
Okay, now she's gonna use some kind of trimmer or something to
trying
trim
to cut
the
your
hair.
You trying to cut your whole hair off?
Okay, that was a mistake. She just cut literally all of the hair off. Now it looks messed up. Okay, she's waving it in front of our faces. Now she's gonna cut it again and more. Stop cutting it. Okay, stop cutting it.
Okay, we good, bro.
Okay, now
stop saying cutting it. Cutting it.
She's gonna use some shaving cream or something.
Cut it.
And a dirty toothbrush.
Oh, that looked like that's her toothbrush. Did she wash with her mouth?
No, I don't think so.
I think so. Probably.
Okay, the dirty toothbrush going on a wig, making a wig look dirty.
Yeah, the only reason he's saying dirty toothbrush because her mouth be dirty, especially those teeth, though.
Okay. Now she's doing like her baby parts or something.
Baby hair.
Yeah, whatever. Now she looking at us weird. Stop looking at us. Focus on your hair.
Y'all see that mannequin? That be early. Boy, she don't even got a head.
Okay, what is she doing?
Like I whip it.
Does anyone else know what she's doing? Because I'm confused.
Just everybody smash the like button and hit the folks.
She put in more lotion on her head and on her wig. And she put in more baby hairs on or whatever. Okay, now she's using the toothbrush again. That's making her hair look weird.
It kind of look
making
like
it stringy now.
It looked like it's not purple no more.
Okay, now she blow drying it again.
What's up with this?
She keep blow drying it. You know this is sped up, but it's taking a long time.
Exactly.
Okay, now she's done. She didn't even show us what she was doing. Now she's brushing it with a wig brush that got yellow hair in it. Come on, take the hair out, man. You can do better than this. Keep brushing. Keep on brushing. Okay, keep on brushing. Keep on brushing. Your turn.
What is she? Does people see those pimples, bro? Look at those lips. Hey, look at those lips. Hey, flip. Hey, yeah, you right. Take the yellow hair out, man.
Yeah, that's gonna get stuck in your hair. It's gonna look real weird.
Don't you think it's that one video that got like the navy green thing in it or something? Like the neon?
I don't know what she's talking about, but okay.
The neon video. Like when she had neon hair on.
Oh yeah, that neon video.
And everybody goes like yellow.
Everybody go watch that video and give it some views and likes. Now she's looking at us and playing with her hair.
Creepily. Okay. Stop blinking,
Stop
bro.
Stop smiling at us. Okay, no.
Don't be kissing me. I'm not your baby.
Technically, you are.
I'm not her husband, though.
Duh.
Kissing me like that.
Okay, she playing with her hair a lot. Stop looking at us so weirdly. She keep playing with her hair. Okay, now she looks about done and happy. Doesn't look too good, but alright. Bye.